Hi guys, good morning guys. I'm back with another video. Today we are doing a deep clean in this house. After Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, we need some deep cleaning in the house. Yes, today I'm just making sure to clean everything in the house. Guys, this video will be very long. Please take your time and watch the video. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe and share guys. The video is very long, very good. If you like to clean, this is your video. If you don't like to clean, this is not your video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Walking on the shore. watching my eyes.